Hey everybody, this is Ex-Con Mike from After Prison Advice. Today I'm going to show you how to find your local public library and get your library card so you can use the internet. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is going to be for the guys coming out of prison that don't have a computer or don't have a phone that allows them to get on the internet. I did not have a computer or a phone that can get me on the internet when I first got out, and this is how I got on the internet. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to Google or go to this webpage here, findyourpubliclibrary.dp.la. It's a United States search for public libraries. You enter your address or intersection, select within 2 blocks, a half mile, mile, 2 miles, and then click search. And it's going to pop up with your nearest public library. Now, the things that you're going to need to get your library card, this is their list. I didn't use these things to get my library card. I'll explain that in a minute. But what they're saying is persons 18 years of older applying for a library card are required to present valid photo identification. That is a valid driver's license, state ID, student ID, military ID, a passport, or photo identification defined as an item containing photo of applicant and first and last name of the applicant, and a CPO one-door identification card. I don't know what that is. So I guess I am on this list. What I used is my prison ID card. I went to my local public library. I brought with me my proof of incarceration, but my prison ID card was my photo ID. So it costs no money to get a library card. And once you have your library card, you're able to use your computers, set up an email account, check your email, apply for jobs. At the one that I went to, they had like a 15-minute computer that you could use without signing up. And then they had the one that you signed up for, and I think you had like an hour or maybe even 2 hours. But either way, you're allowed to use the computer. And I used to go there every single day, a couple times a day. I had a long distance relationship, and I talked to my girlfriend at the time over the internet at the library. So the library is a very helpful place for you to be when you come out of prison. It's free, and it's a very useful source for your job seeking. And if you don't have access to the internet, I highly recommend going to the public library. This is Ex-Con Mike from After Prison Advice, and I hope this helps. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to tap that notification bell to be kept up to date on all my new videos. Until next time.